My time at Geneseo was really transformational in a lot of different ways. I was able to grow into myself. I feel like I grew up at Geneseo. I grew into myself at Geneseo. I felt comfortable to come out at Geneseo, which literally shaped the rest of my life and the rest of my work. Everything that I do now in New York City is because of something that happened at Geneseo. So I founded Christopher Street Tours, which is an LGBTQ-owned walking tour company that focuses only on LGBTQ history. We offer free tours to LGBTQ youth because part of our mission is access to the history. I believe that everyone should have access. It's a really important history, and it's not something that we often learn about in K-12 education. But our mission really is to share stories and uplift voices from those who paved the way before us. Really honoring the generations that came before us, but then also looking forward and looking ahead to all of the positive social change that's still to be done. If it wasn't for those generations before me who fought for their literal lives, I would not have the rights that I have today. Even in New York City and around the world, so much has happened in terms of social progress, but there are still kids in schools in their towns that feel like they're the only person like them, or they feel like something is wrong with them because the town isn't accepting, or their school, they might feel like they're kind of the outsider. I had a young girl email me the other day. She's 11 years old and wanted to come on a tour. And she emailed me, she said her parents are accepting, they know that she's gay, but she doesn't have anybody to talk to outside of her home about what that's like, and she wants to come to New York and come on a tour. It's a perfect example of how far we've come as a society. I don't know if any 11-year-old would have come out in 1953. But the fact that they still feel so isolated in their hometown still just tells me that there is a long way to go. To move to New York City, to grow into myself, it's been a really incredible learning moment for me to know that we are enough and we deserve everything just because we are humans and we are here, and that is enough.